Hi, I'm Lee McMains. I'm a faculty member here in the Industrial Technology program at Ames Community College. Industrial technology focuses on automation in the support of manufacturing. So we look at process control, how to make sure that a part becomes a different part. We look at automating these processes, making them more efficient so that industry can offer high-quality products at a low cost. If you're an individual who likes working with their hands, who likes learning through doing, then the Industrial Technology program would be a good fit for you. Some of the things that students would learn in this program are really represented by the equipment in this lab space. We've got well over $1 million of simulated workstation equipment, what we call trainers, that students practice on. We have process control equipment, we've got electricity equipment and automation and motor controls and fluid power equipment. And this really constitutes the bulk of their education. We'll talk theory a little bit in the classroom, but we really want students to be comfortable manipulating the equipment and really even breaking something so that they understand what not to do when it comes time for them to be on the job. Our faculty here at Ames Community College are the best that I've ever worked with. The state of Colorado requires that instructors have industry experience on top of some measure of education. So we've got this bevy of experiences that really allow for instructors not only to tell relatable stories in the classroom, but also to answer questions that curious students might ask. So if we're relatable now to where students want to be, then that helps prepare them for success. What excites me about teaching here at Ames Community College is this idea that we can help students understand things about the world around them, and that's really what drove my education. The reason I studied physics is because I had questions about the world around me that I didn't have the tools to answer. If I can give that back to students, if I can help students feed their curiosity, that's a good day for me.